everyone, it's Rhonda with the Cozy Loft. Today we're going to make this Christmas sign, perfect for a farmhouse Christmas. Let's get started. These are the things that we'll need for this project. These pallet planks are $2.54 at Walmart. Size is 12 inches by 5.5 inches. And they have the stapled jute on the back so they're ready to hang when you buy them. These are the wood truck with tree from Dollar General. They are $2. They come on a little stand so they stand up. This is craft paint. You can use the 50-cent bottles. I have the larger bottles here, but I got green, black, white, and red that we'll be using. And then some paint brushes, some masking tape or freezer tape, some sandpaper, a glue gun, and these are optional. If you want to add some things to the jute rope, you can add some accents like the foam berries from Dollar Tree or the picks from Walmart, and then also some ribbon. To start, we'll take the pallet plank, and what I'd like to do is get all of the tags and things off of it. I've decided to go ahead and remove the jute cord from the back here. I'm going to try it with a screwdriver and see how difficult it is to remove it. So that came off fairly well. You could also use just a scrap piece of wood. This I purchased because I thought it might be easier for people to find if you don't have scrap wood laying around. For the truck, I'm going to work this back and forth. It's connected down here at the bottom, and I've loosened it enough where I should be able to pull it out. And then you can just keep that wood for another project. Maybe I'll come up with something else for that. Okay, once we have that apart, you'll notice it has some little pieces here at the end. You can cut those off if you want to, just saw them off, or use a Dremel. They're very sturdy, so you wouldn't want to try to break them off because you'll probably damage the tires on there. The first thing we'll do with this is we'll go ahead and paint it. We'll give it a good base coat. You'll want to decide which direction you want your truck facing. And I think I want mine facing that way. I have a cup of water here and also a paper towel. We'll allow that to dry now. It's really time to make a decision now on how you want it to be colored. I'm going to go ahead and do this one in the traditional colors of the red truck, the green tree, and the black tires. Okay, so it's dry to the touch. We're going to take some masking tape, a pencil, and also a Coke cap or a water bottle cap or whatever you have that will fit appropriately. We'll take a piece of tape, and what we're going to do is look right here where the truck would be, where the truck meets the tree. It'll need another coat also, so we'll just go ahead and let that dry. The Coke cap, what you'll want to do, we've got this one over here kind of covered up at the moment, but we'll go ahead and do the other one. You'll kind of put it over the tire, where the tire would go, and draw around it. That gives you a good basis for your tire. And while that's drying, let's go ahead and do the other tire. We'll use the black for that. And then for the hubcaps, you can choose to go ahead and leave them white. You can choose to make them red. I'm going to go ahead and make them black. Of course, if you like a white truck, then it would be ready now. But I want the truck to be red. Okay, so it's all ready to be attached, or to at least figure out the placement. And if you want to put some words up here, I think I want mine to say Merry Christmas. So I'm just going to hand paint that on here. Okay, I have that kind of written out there. Okay, and the last thing we want to do is just go ahead and use the sandpaper to sand this down a little bit. And finally, we're just going to add some hot glue and attach it to the board. Okay, and here is the finished product. So happy with how that turned out. I'm very glad that you joined me to do this project, and I hope you decide to try it. If you do, please let me know. I'd love to see your photos. You can tag me on Instagram or on Facebook. And I'm the Cozy Loft Official on Instagram and the Cozy Loft on Facebook. I plan to have a few of these available in my Etsy shop. I will have the link in the description below if you would like to purchase it rather than make it yourself, or for some reason if you can't find some of the components or something like that. Happy crafting to you, and I will see you all soon.